Welcome to my channel. I am Karen. In this video, I'm going to focus on solving quadratic equation by using completing the square. Let's get started.
In order to solve a quadratic equation by using completing the square, we have two examples today. The first one, which is x squared plus 6x plus 2 equal to 0, we are using completing the square to solve this question now, so we only need the first two terms on the left side, which are x squared plus 6x. So now we need to move the constant 2 to the other side by minus 2 on both sides. Then the left side will be x squared plus 6x equal to negative 2. The next step, we need to rewrite these two terms and also plus half of the 6 square. Basically, we just plus half of the middle term's coefficient square. So we do 3 square on the left side. We need to plus 3 square on the right side also. Now we actually completed the square already on the left side, so we can rewrite x plus 3 parentheses square. On the right side, negative 2 plus 9, which is 7. So we have a square on the left side. We need to solve for the x. We need to do opposite of square, which is square root on both sides. But on the right side, we're supposed to have positive or negative. So on the left side now, we have x plus 3 because square and square root are canceled out. On the right side, we have a positive or negative square root of 7. Now we need to isolate x by simply just minus 3 on both sides. Then x will be equal to negative 3 plus or minus square root of 7. So this will be the final answer. X equal to negative 3 plus square root of 7. Or x equal to negative 3 minus square root of 7. These two are the solutions for x squared plus 6x plus 2 equal to 0 by using completing the square. So this is the first example. Then we are doing a little more challenge question from the second example. Now we are doing the second example, 4x squared plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. This one is more complicated than the first one because the coefficient for the first term, x squared, is a 4 instead of 1 now. But again, by using completing the square, we only need the first two terms, 4x squared plus 6x. So we need to move the constant 1 to the other side first by minus 1 on both sides. So I write it down on the left side. So 4x squared plus 6x equals to negative 1. Now we need to, because we have 4 here, so we need to put 4 out, factor out. So 4x squared divided by 4 is x squared. So 6x divided by 4 is a 6 over 4x. So we simplify that to 3 over 2x. Again, remember, we need to plus half of this number, half of the coefficient of the second term, 3/2 divided by 2, which is 3/4. 3/4 square. So on the right side is a negative 1, but we need to plus 3/4 square, which is 9 over 16. But it's not only 9 over 16 because we have 4 in the front. So we need to multiply by 4. Then we simplify that, which is 9 over 4. So we need to actually plus 9 over 4 on the right side. So up to this step, go ahead to please stop a little bit to see if you understand. If you are okay with the step, so we can keep on going, 4 still outside, and then within the parentheses we have x plus 3/4 parentheses square. On the right side, how do we put -1 plus 9/4? We simply change -1 to -4/4 plus 9/4. We can combine these two fractions to be 5/4. On the left side, which is 4, x plus 3/4 square. And then we need to do next step. We need to divide by 4 on both sides. So divided by 4, which is multiplied by 1/4. So left side, we would have x plus 3/4 square. On the right side, then we would have 5/16. Now again, we can do square root and square root on left side and right side. Remember, the right side is supposed to have a positive or negative. So the left side, we would, after square and square root, they are canceled out. We only have x plus 3/4 on the left side equals to square root of 5 over square root of 16. So square root of 5, nothing we can do. We just leave it. Square root of 16, which is 4. So don't forget positive or negative. And now we can just minus 3/4 on both sides. And we finally solve for x equal to -3/4 plus or minus square root of 5/4. So this will be the final answer. X equal to -3/4 plus square root of 5/4, or -3/4 minus square root of 5/4. So this one is a little more complicated, but it should be fine. If you understand now, you are just doing great.
This is the end of the video today. Please like and subscribe, and then you will get more excellent videos to come. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.